Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss ASC dollar function, which is a built-in string function of GW basic programming language. So let's start. ASC function is used to return a numeric value that is equal to first ASCII code for the first character of the given string $. And the syntax is ASC $. And when we discuss the example, then if we type on line 10 like this and type $, and pass assign apple string to the variable $, line 20 will type print ASC $. Then since the apple is a string and the first character is capital letter A, so when we run it, receive the value of A on the screen. So let's switch to the ID. We will discuss this program, how this execution is done of this ASC function. Here we are, viewers. On line 10 we will type $, equal to apple, and on line 20 we will type print ASC $, and when we press the F2 key we can see the 65 on the screen. So this is the program. When we press the F2 key we can see 65, but when we use the ASC function like this, okay, let me write this program once again. Line 10, $, equal to apple. Since it's a string, so it should be enclosed in the double quotes. Line 20, print ASC $, and then press the F2 key, we can see 65 on the screen. So that was the first letter was A, so it returns the equivalent ASCII code of that character. Actually, a character $, returns the equivalent character of that ASCII code, but the ASC function works in the opposite direction and it gives us the ASCII code of that equivalent string. But here the first character was the letter A, capital letter A, so this function ASC returned the value of 65, which is the equivalent ASCII code of capital letter A. So if you want to run this program, and if we type one more program and give $, equal to Nebraska, and when we press line 20 we type print ASC and pass the same $, function, $, string, and press the F2 key, so it gives us the 78, which is the equivalent character of the capital letter M. So it just gives the ASCII code, equivalent ASCII code of the first character of that string, of that very string which you assign to the $, string, because this is the right hand side is all assigned to the left hand side. Run one more program, and on line 10 type $, equal to Germany, and when we press type on line 10 print ASC and pass $, as an argument, press the F2 key, so we can have the 71 on the screen. Likewise, if we give any other character, like on line 10 we type $, equal to %, ampersand slash close in double quotes, and on line 25 we'll type print ASC $8. Then you will see different output, the equivalent output of the character at the right symbol. When we press the F2 key, we have 64, which is the equivalent ASCII code of the character at the right symbol. So now I'm gonna explain the execution of all these programs, all these functions in the text area. So let's switch to the text area. So viewers, now I'm gonna interpret this execution to you guys for your understanding. So in the above program, the very first program, we have assigned Apple to the string variable named $8. So now $8 contains the value, the string Apple. Since it's a string, so we need to enclose it in the double quotes like this. On line 20, we have used print statement with the function $8, function ASC, and passed the same string variable named $8. Enclosed in parentheses. Since ASC returns the equivalent ASCII code of the first character of the string, so we can see 65 value as the equivalent ASCII code of capital A from the string Apple. Likewise, we passed Nebraska in the second program. So in the second program, we assigned Nebraska to string variable named $8, and when we use it with the print statement and function ASC and passed $8 as a string argument, then it returns the equivalent ASCII code of the first character, capital N, from the string Nebraska, and the equivalent ASCII code of capital N is 78. You can see we just executed it. In the third program, we assigned Germany to string variable named $1, and when we used it with the print statement and function ASC and passed same $1 as a string argument, then it returned the equivalent ASCII code of first character capital G from the string Germany and the equivalent ASCII code of capital G is viewers is 71. So we can see 71 as an output on the screen. In the fourth and final and last program, we assigned, so we have given different special characters like @ percentage and then caret sign symbol and then 7 @ percentage caret and then 7 on the screen. This was the string which was assigned to the string. You assign this whole string to string variable. So string variable named $1, and when we used it with print statement and function ASC and passed same $1 as a string argument, then it returned the equivalent ASCII code of first character capital, the code for the first character @ symbol from the string @ percentage caret 7 and the equivalent ASCII code of @ symbol is 64. You can see on the screen 64 was the equivalent ASCII code of the character symbol @ symbol. That's all, viewers. We have discussed ASCII ASC function, which works as in opposite to the character $. Function. It actually returns the numeric value that is equivalent to the ASCII code of the first character of the given string. So we have passed multiple string like apple. The first character was A, so when we use the ASC function with the $, it returned us the equivalent ASCII code of the first character of the string apple, that was the A letter array. 65 was the ASCII code of the capital array. Here in this case, Nebraska, first character is N, so when we use with the ASC function, we pass the same string variable Nebraska, so it returned the first ASCII code of the first character, that was the N, and 78 was the ASCII code of the capital letter N. Here in this case, G is the first character of the string Germany, so 71 is the equivalent ASCII code of the first capital letter G. Here in this case, we passed different special characters in this string. Here @ symbol we have used as a first character, and when we execute it and use it with the ASC function and pass the same argument, the string variable $, so it returns the equivalent ASCII code of the @ symbol, which is 64. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In next videos we will discuss more string functions of GW basic programming language. That's all. Thanks for watching.